Welcome back. Today I'm going to discuss what FPS is for gaming and how you can improve it. After this video, you'll be fully informed on what FPS is, and you'll be ready to boost your FPS with the tips I will provide in this video. So let's start. So FPS stands for frames per second. It's a measure of how many images your graphics card can render in a single second. Essentially, the higher the FPS, the smoother your gameplay will be. It's a key indicator of how well your computer can handle games. But remember, FPS isn't the only factor in smooth gameplay. However, it's one of the most widely known and crucial indicators of your system's gaming capability. So if you're looking to boost your FPS and get the most out of your gaming rig, stick around. The general rule of thumb is that 60 FPS is the minimum you need for smooth gameplay. This means 60 frames or images are displayed every second. For casual gamers, aiming for around 60 or even 100 FPS should be sufficient. However, if you're a competitive player, lower FPS can be a big disadvantage because it can affect your reaction times. In that case, you might want to consider upgrading your GPU or even using an external GPU if you're gaming on a laptop. There are two main ways to boost your FPS: adjusting settings on your PC and upgrading hardware. Here are my top 5 tips for improving your FPS on your PC and in-game. Lower your settings. Reducing the graphics settings in your game can significantly increase FPS. Look for options to switch to performance mode if available. Optimize your RAM. Ensure your RAM is running at its maximum potential. You can do this by tweaking your BIOS settings. Press F2 or delete while booting up your PC to access BIOS. Then enable XMP for Intel motherboards or DOCP for AMD motherboards. This ensures your RAM operates at its highest speeds. Update graphics drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date is crucial for handling graphics-intensive processes efficiently. Check your monitor's capabilities. Make sure your monitor is running at its maximum potential. A monitor with a high refresh rate that matches or exceeds your FPS is ideal. Now, let's talk hardware. Here are some key upgrades that can make a big difference. Upgrade your GPU. The GPU is a major factor in FPS performance. A better GPU can drastically improve your gaming experience. Check out some of my recommendations for GPUs in the description below. Get a better monitor. While a new monitor doesn't directly increase FPS, it's essential for displaying higher FPS effectively. Aim for a monitor with a refresh rate close to your FPS for the best experience. Upgrade CPU and RAM. Your CPU and RAM also impact FPS. Regularly updating these components can keep your system in top shape and ensure smooth gameplay. So there you have it, everything you need to know about FPS and how to improve it. Whether you're tweaking your settings or considering some hardware upgrades, these tips should help you get the most out of your gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more gaming tips and tech advice. Click here in the next 5 seconds to watch my video on the 7 best free software.